Can we download EA app on your smartphone? So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about if we can download EA application on your smartphone or not. So first, simply head over to your Play Store on your Android device and simply search in for EA Sports Mobile on your Play Store. And as you can see, there is no EA Sports official application being launched for your Android application. So if you don't find it that way, one thing you can do is simply head back to Play Store and simply search in for this VPN like this. Select any of the VPN you like. Make sure it's available for every country. So just once you install it, as you can see, I've already installed it. Simply open the VPN and make sure it's connected. Just connect it to any of your location, supported location. And once you do that, simply head back to your Play Store and just once again search in for the EA Sports application. As you can see, there is a option related to EA Sports FC mobile beta. So it's a EA Sports FC mobile beta application, but it's not providing any EA application which we used to download on our computer. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. So simply head over to any browser and just type in for EA app. So it will take you to the first link, which is the official EA. So as you can see, once I'm inside the official EA website, you can see the EA application is only available for PC or Mac. You can confirm it here, as you can see in the official website. So hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.